Intel's new 14th Gen mobile processors are here for 2024's gaming laptops. Intel's most powerful laptop CPUs are getting refreshed much like their desktop counterparts. Intel is announcing its full 14th Gen mobile and desktop processor lineup today, including the latest HX series mobile processors that will power some of 2024's gaming laptops. Not to be confused with Intel's new Core Ultra CPUs for laptops, the 14th Gen variants are a refresh of the Raptor Lake 13th Gen mobile versions we saw at CES last year. The flagship Intel Core i9-14900HX will ship in more demanding gaming laptops, complete with 24 cores, 8 performance cores, and 16 efficiency cores, and an up to 5.8 GHz turbo frequency. These latest chips also support up to 192 GB of DDR5-5600, alongside discrete Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.4, and Thunderbolt 5 support. Much like the desktop versions, Intel is bumping the core count on the Core i7 variant. The Core i7-14700HX processor now comes with 20 cores in total, 8 performance cores and 12 efficiency cores. That's for more efficiency cores than the 13th Gen Core i7 model and should improve multi-threaded applications and game performance. Intel has chosen to compare its latest Core i9-14900HX with AMD's Ryzen 9 7945HX, the first mobile processor to feature AMD's 3D V-Cache. At 1080p, Intel's i9-14900HX beats the 7945HX in most of Intel's tests, with the exception of Horizon Zero Dawn, Cyberpunk 2077, and Red Dead Redemption 2. Intel hasn't offered up any comparisons to its 13th Gen chips, though. When we reviewed the 14th Gen desktop chips, we found they were largely a refresh in name and nature, with not enough performance to beat AMD's best desktop gaming CPU. We'll have to wait on reviews to see exactly how Intel manages on mobile this year. Speaking of desktop CPUs, Intel is also launching its mainstream 14th Gen desktop CPUs today. 18 new processors will be available, including the $549 flagship Core i9-14900 processor with 24 cores, 8 performance, 16 efficiency. These are the less power-hungry 14th Gen desktop processors, running at a base power of 65 watts, with the Core i9 model drawing up to 219 watts. Much like the K variant, the Core i7-14700 ships with 20 cores in total, 8 performance, 12 efficiency. The top Core i5, i7, and i9 chips support up to DDR5-5600 and 192 GB of memory, and all are backward compatible with existing Intel 600 and 700 series motherboards.